Good morning students. Today we are going to do exercise 11.4, that is look for the patterns and write the next three terms of the series. Here again you are supposed to understand what the question is saying. You need to see what these are only fill in the blanks. Like first question says 10, 20, 30, 40. Now this is children a kind of skip counting going on here. Skip counting of 10. Here after 10, 20 has come, then 30, 40. So the next will be 50 and it will go on. That is 50, 60, 70. So as I had already told you, before looking at going to the answer, you need to understand which pattern is going on in the series. Here in the C part, it says 20, 19, 18, 17. This is simple skip counting going on. So the next will be 16, 15, 14. Like this, you have to complete the series. E part here says first number is 12, then 17. The difference between both these numbers you have to see. The difference here is 5. After 12, 17 has come, which means there is a difference between both the numbers of 5. So here, next again there is a difference between 17 and 22. It is the difference of 5 only. The same way you are continuing it. After 12 it is 17, then 22, 27. Next will be 32. And the other number will be after count skipping 5 numbers, 37. Then 42. Like this you are supposed to complete the series. H part we are going to do of this question, which says 35, 45, 55, 65, which means again this is the skip counting of 10 going on in this series. So you will write 75 next number, 85, 95. Okay, coming to question number 2, find the pattern and fill in the empty spaces. Now here also you have to follow the pattern, what is going on. Your 110 in this box you can see, I am going to do the B part, which says the series goes on here, that 110, then 190. If you go like this also you can fill in the boxes, and what pattern you see here is what? Here 110, under that you have got 11, which means 10 has been removed from here. Same way under this 100 you have got 10. Here again 10 has been 0 has been removed from here. Same way here 90 and 9. Next will be 80, down 8. Otherwise also your series goes on like back counting here. Here also back counting. But what we observe here is 0 has been removed, and like this the series continues. So this way 77, 60, down 6, 55, 40 and down you will write 4 and complete this question. Same way you can do the A part in your book. This exercise is all the book work only to be done in the book. Now coming to the C part, in that we have got subparts. I am going to do the second part, which has this box here and 3 table is running around. You have to already written over there are 3 ones are 3, 3 twos are 6, 9, then 3 fours are 12. You have to fill in the blocks which are empty. 3 fives are 15 already written, 3 sixes are 18, 3 sevens are 21, 3 eights are 24 already done. This way you will complete the C question also. So students, now we are going to do question number 3. Fill in the blanks. Before doing that, you need to understand these 3 rules. You have already learned about odd and even numbers in your lower classes, or in the previous chapter also you had learned about odd and even numbers. Now the 3 rules which you need to know to do the fill in the blanks of question number 3 are odd, plus and odd number. Whenever you add an odd number with an odd number, the answer which you get is always an even number. What are odd numbers? 1, with these digits are called even numbers. So next rule is even plus even. If you add 2 plus 4, your answer will always be an even number only. So this rule says even plus even is equal to even. Third rule here says odd plus even is always an odd number. If you add up 5 plus even number, let's say we can take 2, your answer will be 7, which is an odd number. So children, these three rules you need to know. Odd plus odd equals to even number, even plus even equals to even number, and odd plus even equals to odd number. With the help of these three rules, we will complete the blanks. Now coming to the last part of this exercise 11.4, last question, fill in the blanks. Question number 3. Children, you are supposed to use those rules which I explained you just now about the even and odd numbers. That means when you add an even number with the even number, you get the answer as an even number. When you add an odd number plus odd number, you get an answer as a even number. When you add an even number plus an odd number, you get the answer as an odd number. So here 6 plus what is equals to an odd number? 6 is an even number. You have to apply the rule here now. When 6 is an even number, what will be added with the even number to get an odd number? It will be an odd number here. That means you can write here 1, because 1 is an odd number. Even plus odd is odd. 6 plus 1 is 7, which becomes an odd number. This way you are going to fill these blanks. Now what plus what is equals to even number? Even plus even is equals to an even number. So you can write 2 plus 4. It will be 6, which is an again even number. This way you are supposed to fill in all the blanks in the book. Now the D part says dash plus dash equals to an odd number, which means you have to give one even number and one odd number. Now even number you can take it as 6, odd number you can take it as 3, 6 plus 3 is 9, so you have got an odd number. This is the way you are going to complete your blanks. Now F blank says 90 plus what equals to 99. Now children, it is understood that 90 plus 9 will be 99. Otherwise also with the rule you can understand that 90 is an even number plus 9 is an odd number, which is again an odd number. 90 plus 9 will be 99. 100 plus what is equals to 100? It will be 100 only. To get 200 you need one more 100 with this 100. Then only you will get the 200 as answer. What plus 3 equals to 103? Which is again 100 plus 3. This you have to keep it in your mind that what is missing here, through which when we add this 3 to get 103. This is the way you are going to complete your rest of your blanks. Now coming to the last exercise of this chapter is 11.5 exercise. Look for the pattern and complete the series. This is very simple. You just need to look at the pattern, what pattern is going on. Now here this design is there, then you have got a circle. Then there is a design, then the circle, then design. This means the next will be the circle again. Now after that your design again. This way you will do the blank. This here again circle. Next D part is rectangle, circle, rectangle. Again it will be a circle, then a rectangle, then a circle. This all has to be done in the book. Same way you will complete in your book. F part flower, then a leaf, then a flower, leaf, flower. Again a leaf you have to draw the same way. Then a flower, then a leaf again. I don't have space here, so I have written here. Fine. this is the way you will complete this exercise. This whole chapter is the book work. Only you have to do it in the book, all the exercises. So children, this way you will complete the rest of the blanks and the exercises in your book through these examples. So do it neatly and clearly in your book. Thank you.